Guys, this is Cindy from Cindy's Home Kitchen, and behind the camera is Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, look at Mike. And this is, I forgot, this is so embarrassing.
A cantaloupe.
The yellow one,
or
no, this is not a cantaloupe.
Oh.
This is the melon. The cantaloupe is the one that is green inside.
Oh.
And the melon, Junior, is the melon orange? This is how you cut a melon or a cantaloupe, whatever we want to call it out there. I think I gotta take a little bit more from here. Yeah, that was much better. And then you take your knife and you go from the skin. You want to put your fingers like in the thing, like that at the edge, you see? And then you want to go taking knives. You go all the way down, see? And there you go. Because you got to clean all that. You got to make sure that you take enough skin so you don't have that hard part at the beginning of it, like when you cut it, see? You can do that. I like to clean them like this. It's faster. Let's keep on going. Here we go. I know, if it looks like I'm taking pieces off, I'm not. Trust me, guys. I know what I'm doing here. But this one is on 4K. I don't think we have one of these on 4K, do we, Michael?
Oh, no.
And the one that we made was a long time ago.
It was the beginning of 2017.
This is one of those organic melons. You know what I'm saying, guys? Because now you have to like be careful what you eat, because you know all the stuff of the stories that you hear that they're putting stuff in the food and that this. I don't know what is true or not about it, but in case some of it is true, I don't want any of that stuff in my body. So, oh Ginger, yeah, what's up, Ginger? And then what you do, guys, after you clean it up, you see, you go like this with your knife and try to take as much as that green that it is. So when it's done, you're gonna take your knife, you're gonna go in the middle, cut it like that in half. See? You're gonna take a spoon and go to the end of it and push down like that, because you have to take, see, you wanna take all that straight out without abusing your delicious and sweet, oh my God, it smells so good, see? So it's nice and clean. So now, this is what I like to do. Let's do this one first. I'm gonna go like this across with my knife a couple of times, okay? But you gotta be careful because, you know, the pieces, they do like to slip, okay? So what I'm gonna do is this, 1, and bring it back up. 2, and try to hold it on both sides because you don't want that to slip, you see? How it's gonna try to slip there, that's 3, like that. 4, 5, and 1 more, guys. Okay, bear with me. Here we go, and 6. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna turn this, and I'm gonna go like this across, and it's gonna come out in cubes. See? Okay, hold on a second. See, some of it slides down, but it's okay. Just follow the pattern, because more or less, you know exactly where you gotta cut, and your melon is gonna look, after you cut it. Melon, Michael, or cantaloupe? I think the cantaloupe is the green. This is the melon, right?
I'll look it up.
Take a peek. Okay. So I'm gonna do this next one, guys, just like I did that one, and we'll be right back. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe. This is delicious. Go get your melon. And this is the rest of it, guys. You see, sometimes they fall, but if you know, oh no, hold on, guys. The dog, Teddy, give me. He ate it, Michael. Teddy ate a piece of this. I don't think it's not gonna be bad for him, but this is has a lot of sugar, and dogs shouldn't be eating stuff like this. So here we go. There's the rest of it. Look how pretty it is, and it comes out like that all the time, guys. What do you buy for a melon? This one cost me $4.99 because it was organic, but look how pretty that looks. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Go get your melon. And now, in the summertime, you gotta eat your fruit because you gotta go on diet. You can be eating all them hot chicken wings and burgers and pizzas and pies and cakes. You can be doing that, all that soda, all those calories they count, and then you're like, kaboom! We don't want to do that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow with another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen.